Hi, it's me, I'm 3. We are going to be upgrading a new laptop. Let's get started.
What we're looking at here is a Lenovo Ideapad laptop. It's a model N585. I picked this up at Best Buy as a Black Friday deal. It's a sub $300 laptop, and it was a Christmas gift to my oldest daughter. On top is 8 gigs of Corsair value memory. This laptop only has 2 gigs of memory. It's a 320 gig hard drive and a intro level AMD CPU. It is running Windows 8, so I definitely wanted to upgrade the memory. So that's what we're going to do here. I would have done an unboxing of this, but obviously because it was a Christmas gift and my daughter wanted to open it right away, there wasn't really any time for that. But you know, there really wasn't much to the box. You know, just your standard packaging or whatever, and just documentation really. And then you do get obviously power supply, an AC adapter, and of course the laptop, so really nothing much to it. Let me show you what the laptop looks like in a little bit more detail. One side here we've got a couple of USB 2.0 ports, as well as your AC adapter plug, your headphone jack, and then a DVD RW. On the back it's pretty plain, there's no plugs there. And on the other side we've got a couple of USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, VGA, as well as your gigabit Ethernet. There is wireless N connectivity, which is nice. So, I mean, overall, just a pretty basic laptop. It's not, you know, like I mentioned, not top of the line, but we'll definitely get the job done.
Before you start any work, be safe and take the battery out.
I've got the unit flipped over on top of the box because I don't want to scratch the top of the laptop. And to get at the memory, there's a couple of screws. There's one here and one here, which we'll undo, and then this panel will slide down, and then we can get at the memory. Okay, screws are out, and then this panel just slides down like that, and then you can just lift it off like that. I've got the camera off the tripod so I can show you the inside in a little bit more detail. Here's the memory. You got a couple slots here. This is DDR3 memory. Hard drive, DVD drive, and your wireless module. That's pretty much it. Pretty basic. I picked this Corsair memory up from Amazon. If you remember way back when, I did get Windows 8 Professional, and I actually did get a promotion where I got like $30 gift card for Amazon, and that's what I used to purchase this. This is Corsair Value Select memory. It's just a couple of 4 gig sticks, so we'll get 8 gigs total once we get everything installed. Changing memory on laptops is actually pretty easy. Memory is held in place by a couple of latches on either side, so you just disengage those latches like that, and then the memory just pops out. And then installation is pretty easy. You just do the opposite. You just bring the memory in on an angle, and then just press down, and then you'll hear the click. And then we're doing 8 gigs total there. So there's our second piece. Go ahead and push that down, assistant. Like that. Nice and easy.
With the memory installed, just put everything back together again.
We put everything back together, rebooted, and now we can see that we've got 8 gigs of memory. That sound that you hear in the background is my furnace running, but thankfully we're all done with this little project here. So definitely follow me on Twitter. You'll get updates on when new videos are posted, as well as some high quality tweets from me. Definitely like and subscribe, because that definitely helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye! You can also hear a pet bird.
I've got the laptop flipped over on the cardboard box. Ah!